Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is health, career, and finances reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of December 2025. It's a journal reading. It might or might not resonate. I'm not a career counselor. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a financial advisor. Just checking the energies. Okay. For those of you who wants to join my event for 7 days, 7 Osho meditations live from 7 to 13th of December, they will find the link below. This is going to be life changing, trust me, and it's very like affordable too. So you guys always complain to me you keep everything very high. It's very affordable. It's 2100 rupees for Indians and $50 for others. Okay, so link is given below. You are going to enjoy the journey, trust me, and it's going to help you a lot. Anyways, for personal reading and healing sessions too, links are given below. And for my courses, tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass also. Let's start Libra, your health. Let's see how it is going to be for you guys. My face is changing, my body is changing a lot. Age effect, meditation effect, I don't know. Okay, let's see what we have. फूल सी खिल के पास आ दिल के दूर से मिल के. Four of Pentacles. So Libra, you will be holding on to something very tightly when it comes to your health thing. Maybe you are going to rely too much on medicines. You are going to rely too much on a particular thing. Let's say, for example, you are very not addicted, but you are relying too much on, let's say you have this habit of taking apple cider vinegar in the morning, and if you are not going to have it like for 4 or 5 days, you are going to get restless. You are going to feel like, oh my god, my health is going to go down, everything is going to fall apart, I will never be able to be healthy again. That kind of obsession, that kind of being too much relying on, being too much in this energy of relying too much on something is going to create some kind of issues for you. You have to release this fear. You have to release this dependency on something. Okay, so your health can improve in a natural way. For some of you, it's like body ache, stiff body ache. You guys need to exercise. Massage is also going to help, and you guys can go for detox thing as well to open up your body. Okay, let's see the guidance here, Libra. और कितना मुझे तड़ पाएगी तू, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी. Let's sing only. Don't want to do the reading today. The sun, right? See, you should have the proper clear-cut clarity of your body, of your mind, of what's going on inside of you. Everything should be crystal clear in front of you so that you can move forward. Moving your body, being active is very important for you guys, Libra, for this month. The more you are going to be in this lazy energy, in this energy of, oh, I'll do it whenever I feel like, oh, let's do it tomorrow, the more is your body is getting stiffer, and something is there that is getting jammed or something, right? So take care of that. So moving your body, getting light, getting sunlight, getting proper vitamin D, getting your vitamin profile checked is going to help you a lot in improving your physical, emotional, and mental health. Awesome. Let's see, for those of you who are working for others or doing job, how it is going to be for you guys. Six of Swords. Okay, so for those of you who are doing job or working for others, you will be trying to find a solution to a problem that you're facing in your work area. For some of you, you are planning to move to a different career or different job opportunity, and you're looking forward to have that kind of opportunities in front of you, but still somehow you are stuck on this particular job. So there are certain things that you need to complete first before you can move to the next career opportunity or next job opportunity, whatever the case may be. For some of you, you might have a shift in your place, a shift in your office space. For some of you, you are moving to another city or another country, maybe. Right? There's a shift in energies for you guys. Let's see the guidance here, Libra. Death. Yeah. So Libra, this is kind of a transformative phase of your life where everything is kind of changing. You might be taking it as like, oh my god, everything is changing and nothing is the same again, and how will I be able to manage, how will I be able to handle. You guys have to just be patient with the process, with the transformation phase of your life, whether it's regarding your job or otherwise. Things are going to take time to settle down because things are changing and things are shifting. So things are going to take time to settle down properly, and it's going to be a little bit difficult for the time being, but eventually you will be able to catch up. So be patient with the whole process, and take your life one day at a time. Don't rush towards making any kind of life changing decisions, whether it's your career or personal life. Let's see, for those of you who are self employed or having their own business, let's see how it is going to be for you guys. Seven of Wands. You guys have to fight for something. You guys have to take a stand for yourself. There are some kind of obstacles or challenges that you guys are facing in this area of your life, in your business or self-employment thing. If you are not going to take a stand, if you're not going to take the charge of the situation, there might be some kind of issues that you have to like face in the coming future as well. So it's high time for you to take a stand for your business thing, and do whatever it takes for your business to go in a proper flow. Okay, that's very very important. You guys have to take a stand here. You guys have to fight for something, fight for your rights, fight for some kind of documentation, some kind of legalities. If you are right, if you have not done anything wrong, you are going to get the justice, but you have to stand up for yourself and you have to do whatever it takes from your side in order to like maintain the peace in your uh, career. Let's see the guidance here. The Magician. See, there might be some kind of manipulation going on in your business thing. Somebody is trying to manipulate you into thinking that you are doing the wrong thing, or you are not on the right track, or something is wrong with your business, or they are trying to manipulate you into giving your business or something to them, or maybe selling your business or selling your space or something. Don't get manipulated by anybody else, by anybody. See, if you know that you are right, if you know that you are on the right track, you are doing the right thing, your business is going well, don't let anybody else interfere in your peace, in your business thing, because you know better than anyone else on this planet earth. So if somebody is trying to manipulate you into thinking that you're doing the wrong thing and this is not going to work out, but you know that it is and you are doing the right thing, then you should not listen to anybody and take create stronger boundaries and fight for yourself and fight for your rights. That's very very important. You have to take a stand for yourself, Libra. Nobody else, nothing else is going to help you but yourself, right? That's the deal here. Let's see, for job seekers or for those who are starting or restarting their business thing. For new job seekers or for those who are starting or restarting their business thing, let's see how it is going to be for you guys. King of Wands. So you have to take certain kind of risk from your side, not risk, I'm so sorry. You have to take certain kind of actions from your side in order to move towards your goals with confidence, with a lot of confidence, and you have to leave the ego and pride behind, because you might face some kind of challenges where your ego is going to get tested. So try to keep your ego maintained, try to keep your ego and pride maintained, and do take some kind of action from your side in order to reach your goals, and you will be able to get some kind of opportunity to start or restart your business or your job thing. You will be able to get some kind of opportunity, but you have to actively look for it, actively work for it. Okay, so somebody is going to see your confidence, they are going to get attracted to your charisma, the way you are going to present yourself. Charisma is not about physical looks only, it's about the energy that you uh, reflect, okay, with your personality. Let's see the guidance for you guys here. Six of Cups. Please take help from somebody with whom you had worked before as well. A past company, a past collaboration partnership with somebody, and if it is completely new journey, new chapter, take help from somebody you had finished your education with, or somebody that you had a very somebody with whom you have a very strong kind of bond with. You guys can collaborate with each other and create something beautiful, especially for business people. For job people, I think you should take help from family or family members or extended family members or friends, or friends who are like family to you, who share a good bond with you. That is going to help you a lot. For some of you, if it's a second opportunity, second job, or like other opportunity, other job, not a totally new thing, take help from somebody with whom you had worked before as well, past company, past collaboration, past person. That is going to help you a lot in moving forward in your life, right, in your goals. Let's see the finances for you guys, Libra, for this week, for this month, sorry. I think I should take a nap or something. Eight of Wands, your finances are going to grow exponentially. It's like a fast moving energy, very fast moving energy. Your finances are going to have drastic shifts, drastic changes. Especially after 8th of December, things are going to start moving in a very, very fast pace when it comes to your finances, and it's in a very, very positive way. Especially if you have invested in some kind of long term things, they are going to give you good returns now because it's the end of this year. So you might have some kind of collective benefits from multiple sources of income or from multiple investment schemes. So you are going to get fast moving energies, very fast moving. I have never done a single Libra reading without any kind of issues in that. Today I'm not able to speak. What's wrong? I don't know. But your money is going to take a turn very fastly in a very positive way. Okay, especially the long term investments and everything that you have done for this year, in this 1 year. My goodness. Guidance is the 10 of Swords. Okay, do not trust anybody blindly. So this peak or this benefit of yours is not going to be there for a very long period of time. So make good use of this benefit. So for example, you are going to get lump sum. Invest that lump sum wisely, because you have this tendency to do shit with this money and then afterwards being very, very upset about it, right? So you should have a proper plan and strategy about the money flow, about the financial growth, and once you are going to get it, make sure that you're on the right track and you're doing the right things and you're not making foolish decisions. Because I have seen a lot of people, when they get a lot of money, they don't know what to do with that and they mess up very stupidly in a very stupid way. So it's better to just make a proper plan, make a proper strategy and move forward accordingly. Okay, because you might get betrayed or you might get cheated on if you are not going to be aware of what you should do and what you should not do with your money. That's very important. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.